Okay, here in Hamburg, what we're looking at doing is we want to fish and give 2 plugs in here where these lights are. Possibly the customer can have some lights here to either sconces or up in the wall. We've got some ceiling damage, old leak there. We've taken scrape and prime kills, and then the ceiling fan's gonna come down and get that all scraped and primed and cleaned. It's got the same issue. And then we're gonna do the 4 walls, which is they're tall 9-foot ceilings. In the closet area, we're looking at doing a wire racking system. So we're gonna take and go right to left and then come towards us we'll gain about another 2 feet of hanging space, and then put a little 45-degree in, about the same height as what's there, and then paint that closet. And then the window, we're looking at, I've got the measurements on this window. We want to have a wood interior look to match this. It's like a light pine. And then whether we do sliders, which would probably be the best bet, if I can go either with a triple slider where the center's fixed, or double casement. So we'll get them options, but I'm gonna try to stick with the good woodwork. Had some old condensation that was happening here. Of course, once the window's done, that won't happen anymore. As far as all the plugs in here, they've got their baseboard plugs, so we don't need any more of that. It's just gonna be the main through here. Okay.